Hello, this is your friend Malak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on AutoCAD. So friends, in this video we'll move towards the finishing of this house plan. So let us get started. So before starting the video, if you haven't watched our previous videos, please watch them because in this video tutorial series, we are going to teach you how to use AutoCAD to draft a plan fast. So first of all, I'll delete the unnecessary components here. You can select this, and also we have these portions. Okay, now we can delete this. So all of them are deleted. Now we'll trim the unnecessary portions from here. TR, double enter, and then we can trim the unnecessary portions from here. Okay. Start from this end. Okay, we'll trim this one. You can also trim this. Now we'll take this end. We'll make sure everything is trimmed properly. While trimming, make sure that you start from one point and finish everything in one line. This portion is remaining, so we'll trim it, and here also on the 5-inch walls. And here in one line we can trim all the unwanted lines. It's very easy actually once you get a habit out of it, and the most important thing is that you need to work in a proper way. Now, after having trimmed, let us have a look at our plan. As you can see, now our plan is looking more similar to this. Now, as you can see, our plan is almost ready. This portion is remaining. So we'll do this. So all the trimming is done, and also we have removed the unnecessary portions. So our plan is now looking similar. So now the door and windows are remaining. In the next video, we'll see how to create this spacings or openings for our door. So stay tuned to our channel. Bye for now.